Charlie Macklin here, and behind me is beautiful Gross Reservoir in Colorado. Not very gross, actually a very clean lake, and very remote location. So what I wanted to discuss was the importance of water and also how to purify water. I tried a few different products out, and so this is a bit of a gear review. First of all, the most common, we have water purification iodine tablets. Now these are handy, they're small, they're easy to carry, perfectly safe. Water does not taste that great when you use this product. That's the only real side effect to it. It gives it sort of a brownish color, and it tastes like iodine, but perfectly usable. The next thing I tried was the Life Straw, which is a filter straw. The downside of it, it doesn't fit inside a 1 gallon water jug, but that's all right. If you put it in a pan and put water in there or drink out of a lake, it tastes amazing. It's very clean. It does what it's supposed to do. I drank a gallon of lake water yesterday and I'm fine. So it works, it tastes great, a little bit hard to draw through, and it's sort of an individualistic tool, and it has a shelf life. So if you're a loner, lone wolf survivalist and you plan on being a hermit, perfect for you. But if you have a society, well, maybe you need to upgrade to a different chemical, and that's where I have this, which is potassium permanganate. This is a very, very powerful oxidizer. Needs to be treated with the utmost respect because of all the chemistry abilities that it has, and it can be dangerous in some cases. So you can research that chemical elsewhere. But for water purification, the way I use it is either as a disinfectant or as a purifier for drinking water. In a disinfectant mode, you'll see that a very tiny amount will make it this purple color. If it turns to this purple color, this has been purple for a day now, way too strong to drink. Treat it like a light bleach, but you can wash your dishes with it and everything, and it'll keep your cleanliness levels up. Now if you wanted to drink it, what you would do is, if you wanted to drink the water purified with potassium permanganate, here's how much you would use. A tiny, tiny amount. Like a few grains of salt. Perhaps about this much. If you can see in that cap, it's just a very tiny amount. And what you want to occur is, you want the water, when shaken, to turn to a very light pink color. Just a little bit more. See that very faint pink color? That's about what you want. If your water was dirty, you could put just a tad more. But if it started to get to a purple tone, you've gone too far with it, because this has manganese in it, and that metal is not something you want to consume very often or in large amounts, right? So just a very tiny amount of this stuff goes a tremendous distance. So you would shake this up until it's a light pink color. Let it sit for 2 hours. It'll turn to more of an amber pinkish tone after about 2 hours, and then you can drink it. And with this clean water, it tastes okay. It doesn't have an iodine taste. It tastes a little bit like peroxide, very faint. It works good. And one last thing, always remember to label your containers and have a system so you don't get wastewater mixed with wash water or clean water with disinfectant, things like this. That's it for today. Thanks, and have a good one.